What's going on, guys? It's Morgan with AutoAddict. Hope you guys are having a good day today. Super excited to be working on this awesome Gen 5 where we're going to be doing a beautiful restyling to it by adding some carbon components, vinyl wrap, and a new front bumper. What's going on, guys? It's Mo here with AutoAddict. Hope you guys are having a good day today. Super excited to go over this beautiful Gen 5 right next to me. Let's go ahead and dive into all the details and move forward from there. Before we go ahead and go over all the highlights, we just wanted to say thank you, Tally, for giving us the opportunity to work on your build. We really appreciate your trust and support in here. This beautiful Gen 5 was equipped with a beautiful carbon fiber Terminator GT style hood. Gives the car a totally front aggressive look, which just changes the look on the car. But we added also the ZL1 1LE bumper that we launched. Going over all the details on this was wrapped in the Midnight Purple Inozetek with gloss black paint inserts such as the lower grille, the upper grille, the front lip, and also the bezel. This contrast with the gloss black and the purple gives it such a more aggressive look. That way that carbon hood definitely contrasts really well with the front end. The last thing also we added on that carbon hood is that heat shield. The most important thing for our Terminator hoods when we go ahead and sell it, the middle part of it needs a heat shield. The sides already comes with it, so do not forget when you guys get your carbon hoods with us, add heat shield to protect your carbon fiber. Going over to the side of the car, guys, as you can see, the whole side of the driver and passenger side was fully wrapped in the Midnight Inozetek Purple, just giving the car a super aggressive two-tone where it goes with the purple and the black shade. As you can see, the mirrors was wrapped in a two-tone, one of my favorites to do. The whole cup was all Midnight Purple, and all around it right here was gloss black 3M 2080. On the back side of the rear driver door, the whole door handle was wrapped in the 3M 2080 gloss black, and downshifting to the 3 stripes, one of my favorites as well, contrasting it with the gloss black 2080 3M, just to give it that nice touch where it's gonna get an eye-catching attention. The corner panel, guys, it's such an amazing aggressive midnight purple, but to contrast it to give Tally the mean aggressive look, we went and go ahead and wrap the wing in gloss black 2080 film. The whole wrap style build was based off being Inozetek Midnight Purple all around and accenting it with gloss black 2080 3M film. This build is amazing, guys. I'm super excited and happy to get the outturn and give Tally the build that she had imagined for herself to accomplish. Midnight Purple, carbon fiber, gloss black accents, ZL1 1LE front bumper, all completed on a Gen 5. What do you guys think? Did we kill this build? Let us know in the comments if you guys like the Midnight Purple film Inozetek with the gloss black and the carbon accent. Tally is not done. She's still on a mission to build her car. One of the cool things that she wanted to accomplish is the wrap, the carbon hood, and the bumper. We're still working on her to get some awesome front end lights, such as the DRLs, the headlights, and potential new tail lights, so stay tuned for that. If you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you guys have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, hit that sub button. We have so much content coming for you guys. Hit that notification bell button so every time we post, you guys are fully alerted. What's next for Tally? Let us know what you guys want to see on her build. Comment below. We can't wait to see you guys soon. Peace. Come on in, there you go. Look at her. Oh my god. Dude. This thing is a game changer. So
what? Nah.
Gloss black accents, Midnight Purple, the IG tags as well, gloss black with the Midnight Purple background, the 3 gloss black lines with the door handle, 2-tone, and then just look at that front right here. It's like the carbon fiber hood and the bumper.
Sweet. Oh my god.
Yes, it is crazy.
What the hell? No.
I know.
You literally did a good job.
Thank you,
yeah.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Oh my goodness. I'm like, my heart's racing.
I'm excited for you. I kind of want to take this out.
So nice.
It's really cool.
Oh my god.
Yeah. What do you think is your favorite part about it? Carbon or the wrap?
The wrap.
The wrap, right? That
yeah.
Midnight Purple hits different. And obviously all the gloss black inserts, everything's painted with the lip, the grill, the bezel, all that good stuff.
Yeah,
and makes you good to go.
Yeah. Yeah, everything how I pictured it is here.
There you go, there you go. That's what's up. Love it, love it. Yeah, and then the salmon black banner. Just contrasting that, you know, with the purple for you. So we're just good to go with the roof being purple. That was actually a good decision on that. If the roof wasn't purple,
it was gonna make it look off. Yeah, but it did.
Good decision. Definitely good decision.
So good.
I appreciate it. It's all you. It's all your hard work.
Thank you, thank you.
Dope. Cool. Guys, we just wanted to show you guys how amazing Inozetek is killing the game in the wrap industry. This Midnight Purple right now, when it hits the right angle in the sun, it's an amazing touch where it gives that 2-tone. Please look into the details. Inozetek, shout out to you guys for always supporting us. You guys are killing the film industry. Stay tuned, they are launching some colors as well to provide for you guys' build. This is a Midnight Purple. You guys saw it inside the warehouse where all the white LED lights were just on it. Right now, that sun hitting it right with the angle, the carbon fiber is an amazing, luxurious car. You definitely can't see paint like film just like that. So again, shout out to Inozetek for being amazing, and we appreciate Tally for her business and trust to work on her build.